Hi gang, making your own spice mixes are great for a number of reasons. Number one, you're gonna save a bit of money. Number two, you can make your own blends based on your preferred taste. Number three, you don't have a big jar of the stuff going stale in your cupboard. And next time you reach for the taco mix, stop. It's so easy to make it, let's do it together. Chili powder is the base for any taco seasoning. So you want to play with those light, warm spices. Some smoked paprika for some good body and smokiness. Cumin is so earthy, not too much. You just want a kind of warm spice. Garlic powder for that good aromatic punch. Oregano for the herb. You don't want to taste oregano in it. It's one of those flavors where you're eating it, you're like, what is that? It's oregano. Some onion powder, again, another good aromatic punch. And we all like a little heat in our life, a few chili flakes. Shake it up, and that is how simple it is to make a taco seasoning. So versatile, so easy to do, so do me a favor. Go out, get some dry spices, make your own blends, and have fun doing it.